Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Count Life.
Welcome to the channel.
I'm Adil, and we're here at
Color Factory.
Right, folks, we're here at the Color Factory at the Willis Tower in Chicago, Illinois. Now, we've been here before, and it's a fun place, but they have something seasonal, Haunted Hues, so we'll be checking that out and give you guys a sneak peek at what it's all about. So let's go inside and have a look. So they got something new with Haunted Hues. There's like a scavenger hunt. As soon as you walk in, you'll make an account, check in. You also get your own QR code. There's cameras set up all around, so you can use the cameras for free and use that code to get those pictures sent straight to you. So each area also has a little snack that you can pick up. Not each, but most of them, I think, from my recollection. But yeah, you get to pick one of these. So which one do you want? Which one are we getting? There you go. Pick one for me. Same one? No, let's do a different color. Put that one back. Give me green. Is there fortune in there? There is.
What is
What does it say?
Smells like tropical days ahead for you.
Time to book a trip? Hey, they know we travel. We'll take that as a sign. We got to go on another trip already. So these actually taste different. This one's chocolate. Kind of traded here. I don't know what that tastes like matcha almost. I could be wrong. It's good though. So the scavenger hunt, we got to find one of these monsters in each room. And then once we do, we have to fill out the empty letters there. Those are the clues. So let's go ahead and look around without giving it away for everyone else.
Found it.
Oh, we just found it.
Found it right here.
That's rock candy. So now we got to fill this out. All right, next room. I remember this. Hey, I know that guy. All right, the maze. This was a fun room, right? It's a nice picturesque spot. It's quiet today. Last time we came, it was crowded. Do you know how to get out of here? Heading to the next room. That one's zone ahead. Ooh.
Oh, I remember this.
Yeah, I remember this one too. Do they go on still? Yeah, there you go. You do got to put your head in there or something. So the real challenge is, how long can you stay in this room without it driving you nuts? You found another one? Oh yeah, hiding. Nice. So it's called Haunted Hues. We haven't seen anything haunted yet. Maybe next room?
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Welcome to the room. Any allergies or dietary restrictions for anyone?
Nope.
Gonna head on into this next room. Y'all can sit down. Once inside, you'll see this little colorful flip book. Just gonna use that as a guide to guess what color you're tasting.
Lots of areas to sit in. So each pop rock, there's pop rocks in there.
Yeah.
Remember that? We got to guess the flavor and see if we win. Where do you want to sit?
Yeah.
Sit here. We got to look for the scavenger hunt things too. What does it taste like? So we got to find what color it, whatever you're eating, whatever that color tastes like. Can we get some? Give you one. This tastes yellow to me. Try this. Tell me that doesn't taste yellow. Like lemon. Like lemon heads. Yeah,
Yellow.
that's definitely yellow. That tastes like lemon heads. So what did we say yours was? Purple? So one is purple, two is yellow. We'll give it a go. All right, if you don't want to know the answers, go ahead and skip this part. But one was yellow? Oh, I was close. I did say lime. So mine was green, and yours was banana. I thought that was purple. So yeah, I'm way off. All right, on to the next. Oh, I remember this too. The ballroom. Well, not the ball pit, but the ballroom. We forgot to take pictures. There's a bunch of areas, like, yeah, right there, that we haven't been scanning. So let's take a picture real quick. But this is cool. We're jumping, jump. They're like random, most randomest pictures. They're fighting? Hey, they find their spot. That's pretty neat. Go ahead. Hey, it'd be fun to play hide and seek in here, right? All right, go ahead. 1, 2. Oh, you want me to hide? Yeah, but pretty cool room. On to the next. He likes this room. Oh yeah, I remember this. Confetti room. It's your grandmother's candy, right? It's like grandmother's candy. No one ever buys these or eats these. I think you can take both. That's why there's 2 on each plate. How's the candy? Bad. Told you not to eat that. When it tells you to throw it, then throw it, okay? Not yet, okay? Throw it, throw it.
It didn't work.
No, it didn't work. Watch, look. Hard to see. We'll see it when it prints out. Oh, this room.
What is that?
So I think, what is this? Color scope. Your birthday colors say about you.
And now what do I do with it?
It should say something on there.
Light, pen, sunshine.
So that tells you about your birthday. That's for you.
What?
You can keep it. Next room.
Hey, this is the next one.
Oh, this is the one that you have to go on one side after go on the other side. Yeah, it's okay. We can go together. Come on. Let's go this way.
What do I have to do?
So I think you wear the headphones. So you have to wear the headphones. You push the start. It tells you what to do. You might have to draw something
I don't want
while
to.
facing them. But yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Oh, finally the Haunted Hues. So something to do with Halloween. So it's a picture spot. You ready?
Yeah. No.
Oh, the next room is creepy. So this, ooh. So this is where you get the Haunted Hues. Want to take a picture with these guys? What if one of them has someone real inside and they just start moving and grab us? More creepy guys. These rooms play with your eyes. So each room you're going into, it's like your eyes slowly adjusting. What's up, guys? But yeah, your eyes are slowly adjusting and it's kind of messing with your head.
At the top.
It's a bunch of ribbons.
What if this ghost pop out of nowhere?
Woo! Ah, that was fun.
This is the.
Oh, this is the best one. No, it's hard to walk through this. Oh yeah, we can just do that. Let's go. Let's do the picture spot here. Remember being faster. How's the ice cream? Yeah? Yeah, pretty good. Small. These are $1 each, by the way. But yeah, smart way to eat that instead of using it as a spoon. Is that the thing you smell, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see chocolate.
Melt in your mouth. Yeah, good job. It is chocolate.
This smells so good.
And then you exit out into the gift shop. At the gift store, you can hand in your scavenger card and claim your prize.
Get some
Look at that. Thank you. Well, there you folks have it. Color Factory in Chicago. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask this guy down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching.